The parrots are camped out on the lines outside my house. They were over in the tree that they usually hang out in earlier. I saw them going overhead. I've been here for a few minutes. Where are they now? I kinda lost you. Sorry. But there. I don't know why you're so out of focus. There. There's a couple over there. Somewhere. Down there. There. Okay. And just like that, they returned. It is October 2nd, 2018. And I have just spotted the first 2 American Coot of the fall season. Seagull is coming to get into the picture. I'm gonna have to go closer apparently because this is a very dark shot. And just like that, they returned. The American Coots, or is that American Coot? Are back at Colorado Lagoon. 2 American Coot spotted here today at the lagoon. October 2nd, 2018. And a seagull. There's Hank the duck, a blue Swede, Swedish blue duck, and a fish jumping next to him. Okay, this guy's circling. He's getting ready to make a landing. Let's go say dive. The fish are jumping quite a bit. I just saw one jump over there. It's a good time to be on the pond. And what do we have here? Look at that. I didn't see you before, but I will be honest, I haven't been coming this way. So let's see if we can figure out who these are. They're runaway birds. Kildares. That's what they are. Aha! What have I spotted? Now I haven't been coming over the bridge, so I don't know if this guy's been here all summer. But cool. A lot of action going on here. You can hone in on any of it. Okay, let's try this again. Ugh. I wanted to mention these mushrooms. About 2 weeks ago I came by and they were this beautiful candy corn color with different shades of orange and yellow. You can see a little bit of the orange in with that area right there, but it was fabulous. Of course I didn't have my camera, so here I am taking them when they're all bleached out. But hey, kind of cool, right? Look at that. Can you see the gnome underneath? And this is the house with the view. Here I am coming back, and they're still here.